Welcome to Life Mastery One-on-One, your resource for deftly handling the complex game of life. Think of me as your guide on this amazing path to mastery. We're exploring the fundamentals today, using winning strategies to excel, understanding the rules, and playing the game wisely. Like a game, life takes strategy, insight, and the courage to face obstacles head-on. Accompany me on this journey of self-realization and growth. Here at Life Mastery 101, we'll be revealing the keys to winning the big game of life. 1. The game of life. Life, akin to an intricate game, is brimming with challenges, opportunities, and unforeseen twists. Join me in this segment as we delve into the analogy of life as a game and uncover why adopting a strategic mindset is pivotal in navigating its complexities. Get ready to shift your perspective and embark on the inaugural step of life mastery, 101, viewing your journey through a fresh lens. To picture life as a sprawling chessboard, each move presenting a distinct array of challenges and potentials. Embracing the notion of life as a game doesn't diminish its importance. Rather, it adds a strategic layer to your approach. Strategic mindset entails grasping that every decision, much like a move in a game, carries repercussions. It involves aligning your actions with your objectives, anticipating obstacles, and making choices that propel you forward. This shift in outlook empowers you to confront life's intricacies with purpose and deliberation. In Life Mastery 101, the inaugural lesson is recognizing the game-like essence of existence. It's not about haphazard maneuvers, but about strategic contemplation and calculated actions. As we delve into this concept, consider how viewing life through the prism of a game can unveil fresh possibilities and pathways for personal growth. 2. Learning the rules. Every game operates within a set of rules, and life is no exception. Join me in this exploration as we delve into the fundamental principles that govern our existence. Understanding these essential rules is crucial for success. Together, let's decipher the patterns that shape our experiences and learn how to navigate them with grace and intention. Life unfolds according to a set of inherent principles that dictate the course of our journey. In this segment, we'll unravel these fundamental rules, providing insights into the dynamics that govern our actions and reactions. Knowledge of these principles equips us with the tools to make informed decisions and navigate life's twists and turns more effectively. Imagine life as a puzzle, each piece representing a fundamental rule. By understanding and aligning with these principles, you gain a clearer picture of the bigger picture. It's not about control, but about harmony, a dance with the rhythm of life. Navigating life with intentionality becomes a conscious choice when armed with the knowledge of these fundamental rules. It's about recognizing patterns, adapting to change, and embracing the ebb and flow of existence. Now, through this exploration, we aim to demystify the complexities of life, offering a roadmap to navigate its challenges with wisdom and resilience. 3. Self-discovery and awareness. In the game of life, self-discovery is the ultimate power-up. Join me as we explore the profound importance of self-awareness, delving into the realms of uncovering your strengths, weaknesses, and unique attributes. Get ready to embark on a transformative journey within, unlocking the potential for personal growth and empowerment. Imagine self-discovery as acquiring a powerful tool in the game of life. A power-up that enhances your capabilities and propels you to new heights. The journey within is an exploration of the intricate landscape of your thoughts, emotions, and aspirations. Self-awareness is the beacon guiding this journey. It involves acknowledging your strengths, recognizing areas for improvement, and embracing the uniqueness that sets you apart. By understanding yourself on a deeper level, you gain clarity on your desires and motivations, laying the foundation for intentional living. 4. Crafting winning strategies. Life rewards those who play strategically. In this section, let's delve into the art of crafting winning strategies for success. From setting goals to adapting to change, we'll uncover the secrets of building a roadmap that leads to excellence. Stay tuned for insights that can transform your game plan and elevate your life. Imagine life as a grand chessboard, where strategic play becomes the key to victory. Crafting a winning strategy involves a thoughtful approach to your goals, an agile response to challenges, and a commitment to continuous improvement. 5. Navigating challenges with resilience. No game is without its challenges, and life is no different. Resilience is your armor, and in this exploration, we'll delve into how to face setbacks with strength and courage, discover the mindset shifts and practical tools that will empower you to overcome obstacles and emerge victorious in the face of adversity. Life's challenges are akin to levels in a game, each presenting unique tests of your resilience. In this segment, we'll uncover the mindset shifts needed to navigate these challenges and practical tools to bolster your resilience. 6. Building meaningful connections. Life's game is enriched by the connections we forge. In this segment, let's unravel the importance of building meaningful relationships. From networking to fostering genuine connections, learn how the bonds you create can be powerful assets in your journey towards life mastery. Imagine relationships as the co-op mode of life's game, where collaboration and connection enhance the overall experience. Building meaningful relationships involves both the quantity and quality of connections you create. Networking opens doors, while genuine connections provide a supportive foundation for personal and professional growth. Networking is like expanding your social inventory. It's about creating opportunities, exchanging resources, and establishing a diverse network of contacts. Effective networking opens avenues for learning, collaboration, and exposure to new perspectives, enriching your life game. Fostering genuine connections goes beyond transactional exchanges. It's about cultivating relationships based on authenticity, trust, and shared values. These connections become pillars of support during challenges, contributing to your emotional well-being and resilience. And there you have it, Champions of Life Mastery 101. We've delved into the essence of playing the game wisely, learning the rules, and excelling with winning strategies. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more wisdom-packed content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Keep playing the game wisely, keep mastering the rules, and may your journey be filled with victories and profound discoveries. Until next time, take care and keep mastering the art of life.